In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. We start on our Instagram main homepage, and the first step to recover deleted drafts on Instagram is go to the bottom of this homepage. And now, among all the icons that are displayed here, we must go to the right where a profile limits icon is shown, and we click on it. Now we arrive to our profile page, and here we have to go to the top where our Instagram username is located. And next to it, to its right, we will see these three horizontal lines, and we have to tap on them. Now we enter on the settings and activity panel, and here what we have to do is to click on the account center option. It is at the top of the page. After that, we arrive to the account center page, and here we have to scroll down to the account settings section. Here, among all the options that appear, we have to enter on the text labeled your information and permissions. Then in this other page, we have to go to the first section, and here we click on the option labeled export your information. Then in this page, we click on the create export button. After that, in this other page, we have to select the Instagram account in which we want to recover the deleted drafts. In my case, the third one, and I select it. Then in this other page, we have to go to the top and select the first option labeled export to device. After that, we arrive to the confirm your export page. And here, it is very important that we enter on the customize information option. Now in this page, as you can see, nothing is selected. What we have to do is scroll down until we see a section labeled media. And as you can see, here it is. And this is the only section that we're going to select. Now we just have to click on the save button at the bottom. After that, in this page, we click on the start export button. Now in this page, we have to write our password to confirm the export. And after that, we press on the continue button. Now as you can see, our information is being prepared to be downloaded, and in 20 minutes we will be able to download it, and all our media and our deleted drafts will be included there. And that's it.